Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will tell you how to make braising yellow chicken. Peel the onion, garlic, candlenut, and turmeric. Then, keep stir fry for a while. After that, add the chicken, water, and the ingredients: galangal, bay leaf, ginger, lime leaves, lemongrass, roiko, and salt. Next, cook the chicken until the water is absorbed. Then pour the coconut milk and wait until it thickens and the chicken is perfectly cooked. Finally, chicken is ready to serve and add the fried onion on top. If you want crispy skin, fry it for a while.